You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes now, whichever is most comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. As if you're falling asleep, let go of all thoughts. Just feel your breath. I'll wait for everyone to settle, sigh, melt, release any wiggles, movement, and tension. With every breath, you become more and more relaxed. Great. I'm going to take you through a progressive relaxation. When I call out a body part and say inhale, you will tighten only that body part. When I say exhale, relax that body part. Beginning with your feet and only your feet. Inhale, tighten your feet. Now only your feet. Exhale, release and let go. Now bring your awareness to your legs, your shins, your calves, your thighs, and your hamstrings. Inhale and tighten your legs. Exhale, release and let go. Bring your awareness to your bottom, your low belly, and your low back. Inhale and tighten. Now exhale, release and let go. Bring your awareness to your upper chest, your upper back, between your shoulder blades and your shoulders. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Now bring your awareness to your arms, your forearms and biceps. Inhale and tighten your arms. Exhale and release. Bring your awareness to your hands. Make them into tight fists. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Bring your awareness to your face. Pucker your face, squeeze your eyes, your nose, your lips. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Now bring your awareness to your entire body. Inhale, tighten your entire body. And exhale and release. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Now it's time to come back to the room. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take any stretches that feel good to you and slowly come back to a comfortable seat. Blink your eyes open if they're closed. And we're back.